Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're winding up for an awesome July 4th weekend here on the upper Texas coast, and there's no better place to spend it, lunch or dinner, than here at Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, or the restaurant downstairs at Down Under. You know, they're known for their fresh seafood at Stingaree Restaurant. Platters like redfish louie, maybe grilled shrimp. I love the Greek salad with blackened chicken. And don't forget their world famous bread pudding when it's all said and done. They also have some awesome frozen margaritas. In fact, you can enjoy Stingaree margarita in the margarita, the big one, or the smaller one, just the Stingarita. So anyway, but you know, live music is a big part of Texas and an awesome part of Stingaree Restaurant. And for this weekend coming up, it's no different. In fact, all the music here is live, it's family friendly, and it's free, which is the best part. And there's no better place than listening to live music on the dock of the bay as the sun sets over East Galveston Bay. You know, on Thursday nights now, they have Two Broke Chicks karaoke and DJ service. And I was here this last Thursday, and it was really neat to see families. Husbands get up, wives get up, and kids get up and sing karaoke here on the stage. And I tell you what, those little ones can belt out a great tune. That's on Thursday night. On Friday this week, they have Running on Credit. I haven't seen them, but I'm going to make sure and get by and see the live show, because I can tell you, if Brad's booked it here at Stingaree, they're a good group of guys. On Saturday night, they have Jerry Diaz, a Caribbean-style music that brings them in from all over and will get you dancing. Sunday night, it's George Dearborn, a Southeast Texas favorite you'll definitely want to wear your boots or some good shoes so you can boot, scoot, and boogie around the dance floor. Now, Stingaree is going to be open on Monday the 3rd. They will be closed on the 4th, but on Monday the 3rd, the Kaisers are back. And I tell you what, this duo puts on a great show. They're known throughout Southeast Texas, and I've listened to a lot of their EPs, and I love them. So there's your live music lineup. Thursday night, Two Broke Chicks karaoke and DJ. Running on Credit will be here Friday the 30th. And then Jerry Diaz is on the first Saturday. On the 2nd, you have George Dearborn. And then on the 3rd, the Kaiser Brothers. So what better way to kick off your July 4th celebration than on the dock of the bay here at Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located at 1295 North Stingaree Road. Now, you can get more information on their website, and we've got their new website, still working on it, but it's coming up. But you can get more information on their website at www.stingaree.com. They also have all their live music on there, and it's booked through Labor Day weekend, so go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and get your directions and come on down and enjoy July lunch, maybe dinner, maybe lunch and dinner for July 4th here at Stingaree Restaurant and Marina. Remember, if you see the Bolivar Live truck, look me up, say hi, let us know where you're listening from and what you want us to cover. So I love coming up here. I love their Texas barbecue. In fact, upstairs is your platters, your seafood platters. Like I said, the redfish louie, the grilled shrimp. You can get some great hand-cut steaks, and I love their Greek salad with blackened chicken. Downstairs, it's a little different. It's more basket style. You can get an awesome smash burger, fried pickles. Maybe you're waiting on a table upstairs, or you can get the surf and turf nachos, crab nachos, homemade chips, and more, all at Down Under, and they're open starting Wednesdays. So anyway, Stingaree will be open on Monday the 3rd for your dining pleasure. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you down on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula, for July 4th, 2023. Remember, fireworks will be light in the sky on July 4th that evening. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless. And we'll see you at Stingaree Restaurant in the summer of 2023. God bless and bye-bye. Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located overlooking an East Galveston Bay at 1295 North Stingaree Road in Crystal Beach, Texas. known for their incredible views over East Galveston Bay almost as much as their fabulous fresh seafood, including seafood platters fried or grilled, seared or grilled tuna, hand-cut steaks, and let's not forget their famous bread pudding. Stingaree Restaurant isn't just any restaurant, it's a travel destination with frosty margaritas, fresh seafood, and free sunsets over East Galveston Bay. From fresh seafood to American favorites like Texas-sized chicken fried steak, grilled chicken, or hand-cut grilled ribeye or filet. Remember, from spring through fall, free live music can be heard every weekend at Down Under on the dock of the bay. For more information on Stingaree Restaurant, Marina, RV Park on the Water, or event live music calendar, visit www.stingaree.com.